A lot of people are getting fooled right now by this pullback in silver. They're looking at the recent drop and they're thinking that this bull market is over. Guys, the truth is very different. Silver has just completed a massive 45-year breakout. And what we're seeing is simply a textbook retest of that breakout level. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what a retest means and what to expect for silver now moving forward. Let's look at it. To do that, we're going to pull up the long-term chart. This is silver, 1978 through the present. And what you can see here as we look at the key is that in 1980, silver made a peak at $50 per ounce. Fast forward 30 years later, and the year 2011, silver made another peak at almost exactly the same level. 2011, silver hit $50 once again. 10-year pullback, and what did we have here just 6 months ago? In November of last year, a breakout, okay? We're calling that a 45-year breakout. Now stick with me. Here's where a lot of people are getting fooled. In technical analysis or price analysis, which is what I focus on, there is such a thing called a retest. And this is a textbook definition of that. This is how a retest would appear in a textbook. And that's when a market is consolidating under a key level, whether it's for a few days, a few weeks, or a few decades. And then it breaks out. We just saw the breakout right there in red 6 months ago. Here's the textbook version. The breakout, what often happens after a breakout, guys, is that the market will come back. It will come back to the breakout point to retest the breakout, following which we would expect another advance in the direction of the breakout. So the retest point will be coming here for silver over the next several weeks to next several months. And once again, that will be at the $50 level, the 1980 peak and the 2011 peak. I've been calling for this retest for months now, and we're getting closer to it by the day. Now, here's the tricky part. This is what the retest should look like according to the textbook. Right back to the $50 level, and then up from there to make a new series of highs in the triple digits. However, let me get rid of this for 1 second and clear the chart. This is what the textbook won't tell you, and this is based on my study of many different markets, including silver, over the last 20 years, is that sometimes in very bullish cases, the retest will not even get all the way back down to the breakout point. In very bullish markets, the retest might only come back down, let's say 5, 10, 20% away from the breakout point. In that case, the retest here for silver could come in anywhere from the mid 50s, the upper 50s, perhaps even the low 60s. So that could be here within the next several days. One more tricky point that I have learned in my study of markets over the last 2 decades. In the more bearish cases, but still constituting a retest of the breakout, but in the more bearish cases, the market can actually come a few dollars, sometimes just for a couple days, sometimes 1 or 2 weeks down here, a few dollars below the breakout point, below the $50 level, before in the long-term analysis, it functionally represents a retest. But sometimes in the actual day-to-day, it doesn't just precisely come back to the specific point. We have to remember, sometimes there's a zone of support. One way or another, guys, what we are seeing right now represents a textbook retest of a 45-year breakout. Do not get fooled by this at the worst possible moment, which should be coming over the next few weeks to few months. Now, when we zoom it in here on the last 6 months, this type of analysis is what we are studying in depth in our Precious Metals Intelligence Plus. How low will the retest go specifically? And to do that, if you would like to dial it in with us in our premium service, we measure the US dollar, we measure the miners versus silver ratio, the gold to silver ratio, all of the other signals available to us to determine how low that retest will go specifically. Here in this video, I'm sharing with you the big picture analysis, but if you would like to dial it in to get closer to the actual bottom, that is what we are doing in our premium services. Don't forget the big picture either way. Don't be fooled. Don't panic at just the wrong moment before silver completes its retest and then moves well into the triple digits. Next week, guys, I'm going to be releasing free research on our next mining company pick. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when these videos come out, because sometimes the mining companies will shoot higher by hundreds of percentage points when we mention that. That is coming for free on this YouTube channel next week. If you would like to go further with us, as I said, in analyzing the specific low that silver is going to make over the coming weeks so you can be prepared to buy on the retest, that service for you is called Precious Metals Intelligence Plus. As I said, we cover all of those signals in addition to the stock market, the bond market, the oil market, everything you need to know going straight to your inbox. In our Elite Private Placement service, we will be featuring a new mining company investment here next week. I will talk about that 1 week from now. If you would like to learn about that pick before everyone on YouTube, join one of our services here and you will learn about it a couple of days before everyone else has that opportunity. Last but not least, if you'd like to sit down with myself, Christopher Aaron, and discuss your individual investment situation, you can book a consultation right on our website. And remember, I'm a 100% independent analyst. I do not take any fees or kickbacks from anyone in this industry. So guys, the takeaway for this week, do not be fooled by this silver pullback. A lot of people are going to sell at the worst possible moment here over the next couple months. Really think about the big picture. Think about your strategy. We have seen a textbook 45-year breakout that is now getting close to the retest point.